Hello students, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about your fourth chapter of chemistry, that is a hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbon means carbon and its compound. Okay, hydrocarbons. Dear students, the compound which are consist by only and only कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन आर कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. ऐसे कंपाउंड जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से मिलकर बने हों हाइड्रोकार्बन कहलाते हैं. ओके, एंड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स आर क्लासिफाइड इन फॉलोइंग टू कैटेगरीज. ओके, लेट्स बी सी वन बाय वन. हाइड्रोकार्बन मीन्स a compound which is consist by carbon and hydrogen. Okay, classification of hydrocarbon. Classification of hydrocarbon. Dear students, hydrocarbons are following two types. Number one, open chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon means खुली श्रृंखला वाले हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. नेक्स्ट इज अ क्लोज्ड चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन. क्लोज्ड चैन हाइड्रोकार्बन. तो हाइड्रोकार्बन कितने टाइप हो गए? टू टाइप के. नंबर वन, ओपन चैन हाइड्रोकार्बन. नंबर टू, क्लोज्ड चैन हाइड्रोकार्बन. खुली श्रृंखला वाले हाइड्रोकार्बन्स और बंद श्रृंखला वाले हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. मीन्स व्हाट? नंबर टू इज reagents. The open chain hydrocarbons are further classified into two categories. Number one, saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are alkane. They are the alkane, and these are further two types, that is a alkane and alkyne. Alkane and alkyne. And closed chain hydrocarbons are following two types. Number one, alicyclic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic hydrocarbons. And number two is aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbons. So this is the classification of hydrocarbons. Students, hydrocarbons are classified into open chain, closed chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are further classified into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are further classified into alkane, unsaturated into alkene and alkyne, and closed chain hydrocarbons are following two types. Number one, alicyclic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Let's be see one by one. Number one, open chain hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that have a open chain means the first carbon is not attached to the last carbon in their chemical formula or in their chain, and we obtain an open chain. Okay, It is following two types, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Dear students, saturated hydrocarbons are those open chain hydrocarbon in which carbon atom of the chain are single bonded. क्या हो, इसमें कार्बन के बीच क्या हो, सिंगल बॉन्ड हो, सिंगल बॉन्ड हो. ओके, सब क्या कहलाते हैं, सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेथेन, एथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन, हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन, ऑक्टेन, नोन, डेक, ऑनडेक, these are the unsaturated hydrocarbons because they have single bond in between their carbon atoms. Like that, this is a propane. You can see that there is a single bond in between these two carbon and these two carbons. And the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of saturated hydrocarbons or alkane. Okay. Number 2 is unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons in which two carbons of the hydrocarbon are double or triple bonded called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Number 1 is alkene. Dear students, alkene is that unsaturated hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms are bonded by double bond. For example, C double bond C. Okay, you can see that in between these two carbons there is a double bond. That symbolizes alkene, means alkene is a hydrocarbon which contains at least double bond in between two carbons. Okay, and the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. This is the general formula of alkene. Okay, so next is alkyne. Dear students, alkynes are those unsaturated hydrocarbons in which two carbons of the chain contains triple bond. ऐसे हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जिसमें चैन के कम से कम दो कार्बन के मध्य के बीच ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो, दैट सेड टू बी alkynes. For example, C triple bond C. This is the alkyne and called as ethine, and this is a ethene. General formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. This is the general formula of the alkynes. Okay, let's be see closed chain hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that contains a closed structure of the carbon atoms, means overall you can say that the first carbon of the hydrocarbon or of the chain is attached to the last carbon. जब पहला कार्बन लास्ट कार्बन से जुड़ा हो, then we obtained a closed chain hydrocarbon, and it is following two types, alicyclic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic hydrocarbons are saturated closed chain hydrocarbons. Okay, alicyclic hydrocarbons are saturated closed chain hydrocarbons, means the carbons of the alicyclic hydrocarbon have no double or triple bond. Okay, and the general formula of alicyclic hydrocarbons are CnH2n. For example, this is the cyclohexane. What? Cyclohexane. This is the cyclobutane. Okay, this is the cyclopropane. So you can say that these hydrocarbons have closed chain and there is no double bond in between their carbons. This is a carbon ऑल दी बिंडिंग पॉइंट लोकेट्स कार्बन, सभी क्या हैं, कार्बन से। नेक्स्ट इज एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, डिओजेंट्स एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन या बेंजीन रिंग, okay, and it is an unsaturated close chain hydrocarbon because they contains a double bond in alternate form, okay, these contains double bond in alternate form, okay. The simplest aromatic hydrocarbon is a benzene, okay, this is the simplest and first aromatic hydrocarbon, and this is a structure of benzene, and general formula of benzene is C6H6. So dear friends, I hope that all of understood that what are hydrocarbons and how they can classify it. So in my next video I will teach you it in explanatory form, means I will explain these topics in my next video. So thank you, have a nice day.